Record. Done. So unfortunately, we did miss this one. This one should well and truly smoke 1 to 5. Basically, what you've got a mitigation of a point way over to the left. Yeah, obviously at the top up there. Price has mitigated that point. It's done an internal break, so we can expect for price to obviously retrace back up, come back down, potentially follow with this. Finally start to do a bit of a solid retracement in this massive bullish push. So really clean. Did come into quite a nice 15-minute supply. Demand. I believe it's 15-minute. Yeah, nice. Actually, 30-minute point. After coming to that 30-minute point, gave a really nice internal break just here. Obviously, that's brought in a lot of buyers. We've then induced the buyers by blowing straight through that point. Really clean as well, how it gave a bit of a reaction out of this point. So sort of shows us the manipulation in that area. After we had that, price then gave a 5-minute 2-leg. Does not get any simpler and cleaner. Anyone who was on and had done their analysis should have caught this trade. It doesn't really get any easier to catch than that. So yeah, unfortunately, we were a little bit late to it. I got on sort of as it was like around this area. So yeah, unfortunately, couldn't get in on it, but this should smoke 1 to 5. But basically, what we're looking at the moment is just for price to come up into here, induce this point, mitigate this point, obviously the top of that internal break, and then sell back down. The only point I'm really interested in, and Brad will obviously go back over this, is yeah, inducing either here or here for buyers. But yeah, I would expect this to just follow through and then sell back down. Did you want to do the other two, big fella?
Sure.
No. But yeah, really simple one.
Alrighty.
Make sure you can share.
Awesome. So basically, AU was actually a really nice price action last night. Mitigated this supply quite nicely. It's now reacted off a 30-minute supply to demand here, which is very clean. Now basically just want what we have on GU. I see that more as an internal break. So all we know is, internal break, come back to supply, and then look for a sell-off. Quite simple. We even get our inducement into a mitigation there. So that's literally all I'm looking for. If I want to buy, this break here out of that demand. I basically want this smoked and then for a 1-minute confirmation entry here, and I would look. But I don't see that as really highly probable with today. Now we have got Euro news all day. At the same time that GE mitigated our point, EU actually swept, so that just correlated and made GE even stronger. It's reacting out of a supply now, which I don't think will hold as we didn't break here. Looking for a trade today on EU is going to be a difficult one. Asian session moved a lot again, so basically it would be nice if we can come take all this liquidity up here and come into our extreme in this little range we've got here. But I would say looking at EU, I'd be very surprised if EU actually gave an entry at all. It's got long ranges with lots of builds up of liquidity, which I don't think it'll come take. So I would just focus on GU and AU for today, especially with the red folder news we've got on EU anyway. In terms of buys, if we can just induce this low here, I'm more than happy to buy up towards it. We've got huge liquidity targets up there. We've got that supply point to come and target, which actually sits a lot cleaner. So if we can get a reaction out of here, I won't be trying to sell out of here as, this didn't actually break much, kind of just induced this low. So if we can just basically get this to step down, we've got the take of Asian lows, which means we can take Asian highs, and we've kind of got the whole daily cycle in there as well. So that'll work quite well. But that's basically what I'm looking for with those two pairs. I would say London session, we're sitting on our hands a bit and watching after missing that buy, which is just fabulous.
Sure. Does anyone have any questions on any of that? If not, we'll just keep the same approach, obviously. Jump off, wait till all that gets triggered, and then jump back on from there.
Gnarly as. Sounds fabulous.
Sweet. Happy days. All right, cool guys. We'll get this uploaded. All good, Declan. No stress. Easy done. Yeah, hopefully someone was able to catch that buy. That was beautiful. Beautiful. Fuck. Hate missing trades. It's really annoying. Sweet. All right, guys. Speak to you all soon.
Okay, cheers.
Easy, bro.